April 26, 1986. A date etched in history. The Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine, then part of the Soviet Union, became the site of the world's worst nuclear disaster. A flawed reactor design and human error led to a catastrophic explosion, releasing a plume of radioactive material into the atmosphere. The invisible cloud spread across Europe, carrying with it fear and uncertainty. The immediate aftermath was devastating, forcing the evacuation of Pripyat, the nearby city built to house plant workers and their families. The disaster claimed lives, both immediately and in the years that followed, due to radiation exposure. The Chernobyl disaster serves as a stark reminder of the immense power of nuclear energy and the importance of its safe and responsible use. It is a testament to the devastating consequences that can unfold when human error and technological failures collide. In the wake of the disaster, a 30-kilometer radius around the Chernobyl power plant was designated as the exclusion zone. This area, once home to bustling towns and villages, became a ghost town, frozen in time. The invisible threat of radiation lingered, making it unsafe for human habitation. Yet, even in this desolate landscape, life persisted. Plants and animals, exposed to varying levels of radiation, adapted and survived. The exclusion zone became an unintentional experiment, a living laboratory where scientists could study the long-term effects of radiation on the natural world. And within this silent zone, they made a remarkable discovery. Deep within the soil of the exclusion zone, amidst the decaying leaves and fallen trees, lived tiny creatures that defied the odds. These were nematodes, also known as roundworms, specifically a species called. These microscopic creatures, often overlooked, held a secret to survival in the face of adversity. Nematodes are known for their resilience. They're found in virtually every environment on Earth, from the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountaintops. But the nematodes of Chernobyl were different. They had not simply endured the radiation, they were thriving in it. This discovery sparked intrigue and excitement within the scientific community. How could these tiny creatures with their seemingly simple biology survive and even flourish in an environment deemed hostile to life? To unravel the mystery of the Chernobyl nematodes' resilience, a team of researchers embarked on a mission to study these remarkable creatures. They carefully collected soil samples from various locations within the exclusion zone, meticulously recording the radiation levels at each site. Back in the laboratory, the nematodes were extracted from the soil samples and cultured for further analysis. The researchers used advanced genetic sequencing techniques to examine the nematodes' DNA, searching for clues to their extraordinary ability to withstand radiation. The team compared the genetic makeup of the Chernobyl nematodes with that of nematodes from uncontaminated areas. They were particularly interested in identifying any genetic mutations or adaptations that might explain the Chernobyl nematodes' resilience. Section 5. Genetic Resilience. Unraveling the Mystery of Survival. The results of the genetic analysis were astonishing. The researchers found no evidence of large-scale chromosomal damage or widespread genetic mutations in the Chernobyl nematodes. This was unexpected, given the high levels of radiation exposure these creatures had endured for generations. The researchers concluded that the Chernobyl nematodes' resilience was not due to any extraordinary genetic mutations, but rather to a process called natural selection. Over time, the nematodes most resistant to radiation were more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on their advantageous traits to their offspring. This finding challenged the conventional understanding of radiation's effects on living organisms. It suggested that even in the face of extreme environmental stress, natural selection could favor individuals with enhanced DNA repair mechanisms, allowing them to thrive where others would perish. Section 6. A Beacon of Hope. Implications for Human Health. The discovery of the Chernobyl nematodes' resilience had profound implications for human health, particularly in the fields of DNA repair and cancer research. Cancer, often caused by mutations in DNA, is a leading cause of death worldwide. Understanding how the Chernobyl nematodes were able to repair and protect their DNA from radiation damage could hold the key to developing new cancer treatments and prevention strategies. The nematodes' ability to thrive in a high-radiation environment suggested that they possessed highly efficient DNA repair mechanisms, something that could potentially be harnessed for human benefit. This discovery opened up exciting new avenues for research, with the potential to revolutionize our understanding of cancer and other radiation-related illnesses. Section 7. DNA repair. Understanding our body's defenses. DNA, the blueprint of life, is constantly under threat from various sources of damage, including radiation, toxins, and even errors during DNA replication. To combat this constant assault, our cells have evolved a sophisticated system of DNA repair mechanisms. These mechanisms work tirelessly to identify and correct errors in our DNA, ensuring the integrity of our genetic code. When DNA damage is too severe to be repaired, cells may undergo programmed cell death, preventing the accumulation of mutations that could lead to cancer. The Chernobyl nematodes' resilience highlighted the importance of efficient DNA repair in maintaining cellular health and preventing disease. By studying their unique adaptations, scientists hope to gain a deeper understanding of DNA repair pathways and identify potential targets for therapeutic intervention. Section 8. Cancer susceptibility. Unlocking new insights. Cancer susceptibility varies significantly among individuals, and genetic factors play a crucial role. Some people inherit mutations in genes involved in DNA repair, making them more vulnerable to developing cancer. The Chernobyl nematodes provided a unique opportunity to study the genetic basis of radiation resistance. By identifying the genes responsible for their enhanced DNA repair mechanisms, researchers could potentially develop new screening tools to identify individuals at increased risk of cancer. Furthermore, understanding how the Chernobyl nematodes' DNA repair pathways differed from those in humans could lead to the development of targeted therapies that enhance DNA repair capacity in cancer cells, making them more susceptible to conventional treatments like chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Section 9. A legacy of hope. Chernobyl's enduring lesson. The Chernobyl disaster, a tragedy that left an indelible mark on human history, also offered a glimmer of hope. From the ashes of this disaster emerged a story of resilience, a testament to the remarkable adaptability of life. The discovery of the Chernobyl nematodes' ability to thrive in a high-radiation environment challenged our understanding of the limits of life and offered new hope for human health. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, held within them secrets that could one day lead to breakthroughs in cancer treatment and prevention. The legacy of Chernobyl extends far beyond the disaster itself. It serves as a reminder of the importance of environmental stewardship, the power of scientific inquiry, and the enduring hope that even in the darkest of times, life finds a way. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Thank you for watching.